Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today, we're going to show you how to add date and time stamps on iPhone photos using a simple third-party app since iOS doesn't have this feature built in. Method 1, using Date Stamper app. First, open your App Store. That's where we'll get the tool we need. Search for Date Stamper and install it. This is the app we'll use to add our stamps. Once installed, open Date Stamper and grant it permission to access your photos when prompted. Now browse through your photo library and select the images you want to stamp. You can pick multiple at once. Tap the stamp button to automatically add the date and time to your selected photos. When done, just open your regular Photos app to see your newly stamped pictures. Method 2. Customizing stamp format. Open Date Stamper and look for the Styles option. This lets you change how your stamps appear. Here you can choose different date and time formats to match your preference. Don't forget to toggle on Add Time if you want both date and time displayed. Method 3. In-app camera. Date Stamper has its own camera. Tap the camera icon to use it. Any photo taken here will automatically get stamped immediately. After taking your shot, just tap Use Photo to save it with the stamp already applied. While the basic features are free, some options like location stamps require the premium version, which costs $5.99. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful iPhone tips.